You put like this one. How much do you get out of this? The general sales.
If I wanted to make only this, I can use around 8, and I get 20.
You can use 8,000. You get 20,000. What is the balance? Oh.
I can do that.
Why do you go to look for jobs and you not around looking for jobs? Your cap is how much?
Today I've come with the one I sell at 2K, but I have smaller ones.
Okay, can I have them? This is very interesting. So you are not in the wrong place. Huh?
This cup looks to be small, but if you understand the value of what I'm selling to you, you must pay it at 2K. If anybody who is using a single fruit juice can sell you at 1K, this one. But mine has some value addition.
So you sell this at 2,000.
Yeah.
Now you use these are the cups you were telling me. So you use these ones so that you can reuse them again.
Yes.
You give somebody drinks. Yes. After drinking, it gives you a cup. How much is this cup?
2K.
It is 2K.
Yeah.
So your capital, how many cups do you have, for example?
Yeah, maybe now these ones are brought a sample.
Okay, you have like 40?
Around 50.
Around 50, that is by 2,000, that is 100,000. The blender, you bought it at how much?
Around 260.
260, that is 300. So your capital is less than 500.
Then some sieve.
The sieving?
Yeah. That packet of it in the supermarket is 5,000.
Okay. So your capital is like 500,000, for example, and you get it makes a day of average. You sell like how many liters?
Around 20 or even 30.
30 liters. That is 1 jerrycan and a half.
When there is a party like this, maybe this association of students is having a party, get together, you can even make 3 jerrycans, 60 liters.
How much is the jerrycan, for example, profits?
That will make around 300.
You can make 300,000 from those 3 jerrycans. Then minus the input, how much?
Then I will go to around, that will be around 200 or so, around that.
So you can make 100,000. So you people, this is not a forged testimony. It's one of the products here in this workshop. So the skills we are giving you, we bring you these people so that you can know where you are. You can imagine, some of us will have capital, with cry of capital teachers cry that you should add as salary. But you have a salary of 1 month, 400,000. That is enough capital to start something that can add you at least 20,000 per day. Add value, you add value. You have fruits, you give them to animals. You get animals when they are very healthy, you don't mind them. So can you put me there like this?
No, you can sell a bottle. You put it at how much?
Like that bottle?
Yeah.
That is a half a
I would
liter.
have to measure still.
He's dealing with measurements.
I am a chemist, I deal with
So like that is a half a liter.
Yeah.
This is a half a liter?
Yes.
It can be like how much? The half bottle.
I will have to measure it around 6,000. But I can give it at around 3K.
3,000.
Na viko. Ndio ndio. Ndio